If you are running a business, agency, or even working a solopreneur in this time, one of the biggest challenge is understanding how your business is actually performing. You might feel like you are doing everything right, but without proper tracking, it's easy to miss what's working and what's not. That's where GoHighLevel's reporting feature come in. In this video, we are going to break down how GoHighLevel help you to track your business growth, understand the key metrics, and make a smarter decision without feeling the overwhelmed. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where I simplify business tools so you can focus on growth instead of struggling with complicated dashboard. If you have not yet, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description or the pinned comment for free trial and the special deals for GoHighLevel. So if you use the GoHighLevel from the official website, you will be able to use it for 14 days, but by using the link in the description, it will be extended up to 30 days. So check that link. Okay, so let's start with the basic. GoHighLevel comes with built-in reporting tools that can track everything from lead to sales, email, campaign, and client activity. Just imagine you are running an agency with multiple clients. Without proper reporting, you could be spending hours manually tracking each client's progress. GoHighLevel puts all that data in one place, giving you a clear picture of how your business is performing. One of the first things you will notice is the dashboard. It's simple, clean, and beginner friendly. You can see total lead, the conversion rate, revenue, and the campaign performance all in one place. These help you to understand what's working and what needs the attention. For solopreneur or the small team, this is a huge time saver because they longer have to jump between tools or spreadsheet to see the result. So next thing is the campaign reports. Whether you are running email campaign, SMS sequence, or the funnel automation, GoHighLevel tracks everything. You can see the open rates, click-through rate, and the responses, so you know exactly how your audience is engaging. For example, if one campaign has a low open rate, you can tweak the subject line or message right away instead of waiting weeks to find out it didn't work. Another key feature is the pipeline and the client reporting. For agencies or consultants managing multiple clients, this is a game changer. You can track where each client is in the sales process and see the upcoming task, and also you can see the follow-up and even measure how many deal close each month. So these allow you to forecast revenue, identify the bottleneck, and make sure nothing falls through the crack. GoHighLevel is also let you create the custom report. This means you can focus on the metrics that matter most to you, whether it's lead sources, campaign, the ROI, or the client engagement. You can schedule these reports to be sent automatically to your email or even to your team, which makes team management and the client updates much easier. And the best part is, all these reports are easy to understand even if you are not a tech expert. GoHighLevel uses virtual chart, the graph, and the summarize to present your data in a way that's simple to read and act on. So you don't need a background in analytics to see the trends, make the decision, or adjust your strategy. Finally, reporting in GoHighLevel is not just about looking back, it's about planning the forward. When you see which campaign, funnel, or automations are performing best, you can invest more time and resources in what works and stop wasting energy on what doesn't. So this helps your business grow faster and more efficiently. So in short, GoHighLevel reporting feature gives you a complete view of the business growth from lead generation to the client management, campaign performance, and revenue tracking. It saves time to improving the decision making and help you to scale up your business without getting overwhelmed or the spreadsheets or multiple tools. So if you want to try GoHighLevel, see the reporting feature can help you to track or grow your business. Check the link in the description for the 30 days extended free trial link. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.